What is going on YouTube, and welcome back to Every Tech Time. So today I'm going to do a video tutorial on how to create C# programs in Notepad++ this time. So perhaps you remember last year when I made a tutorial on how to make C# programs in Microsoft Visual Studio. Well this time we will do it in Notepad++. So it'll sort of be the same code, but in a different software. So yeah, so anyway, I will leave a couple downloads in the description for Notepad++, and yeah. So this is just gonna be a basic C# program, as in like the basics of it. So I'm not gonna go into like full coding of it. So yeah. So anyway, let's get started. So we're gonna start typing a hello world program in C#. Yeah, this first thing is what you type if you make a program in C#. And period. So you press enter and type using using system. Semicolon. Then namespace. Hello world, and for this hello world is just one word, but the W is capitalized. Press enter 2 times and press tab. Class hello. Bracket. Press enter 2 times, then type static void main. Two parentheses and a colon. Another bracket. Press enter and press tab once. Console.WriteLine is what you type next. Parentheses, quotation marks, hello world. This time hello world has a space in between it, and an exclamation mark at the end. Add your colon. Press enter twice, and then type keep the console window open in debug mode, and 2 slashes at the beginning. Period. Press enter, and then type console.WriteLine again. And then in parentheses and quotation marks, we're going to type press any key to exit. And then add your colon. Press enter and type console.read key. Two parentheses and a colon. And then press enter and go back a tab. And put a bracket there, press enter again, and you're going to press enter twice until you, so just do what I do. Bracket, enter, back, and bracket. And there, just put that there to end the code. Alright, so this is the code that you type. So now we're going to go up to File and click Save As. And then we're going to just call this, and well actually you can call it whatever you want, but I'm just going to call this example because this is just an example C# file. And then the type of file you save it as is a C# source file, and the file extension is .cs. And now you click Save. And there you go. Here's your C# program. Well, not exactly a full program, but just a basic one for now. So yeah, this video is just doing a basic C# program. So sometime later on, I might do another video on how to make C# programs in Notepad++ as an advanced program in C#, where there will be more coding and stuff like that. Once I find out how to do it right. But for now, this is pretty much what I know about C#, and pretty much any programming language there is out there. So yeah. Alright, so that's how you make C# programs in Notepad++. So yeah, that's how you do it. And be sure to rate, comment, and subscribe for more tech videos like this one if you like this tutorial. That said, this is Every Tech Time, and I'll see you in the next video.